And we do continue to track some Southern California Edison Power Service shutoffs just to the west of the Coachella Valley today at noon. It's to prevent concerns over strong winds causing power lines to spark a wildfire. Here's a live look at the Edison Service outage webpage right now. You can see the striped gray areas. Now, those are where the temporary power cutoffs are already underway. It's in and around the Cabazon area. The Morongo Reservation area is also south of Interstate 10 near Highway 243. The area is highlighted in orange. That's where the power service could be turned off if conditions warrant. It's downtown Cabazon, east toward Whitewater Canyon, but not all the way there. Public safety power shutoffs have cut service to 9,000 Edison customers throughout Riverside County, with another 58,000 customers who could see their lights be cut due to the power losses. Chief Meteorologist Patrick Evans is in with a look at those conditions. These winds, certainly you have to take them quite seriously because they're dry, they're powerful. A wildfire, it's a dangerous threat.
Well, of course, and it's also sometimes a little bit of a disconnect because we here in the Coachella Valley are not experiencing these really gusty winds. The winds have been
nice here. Yeah.
But as soon as you get to the pass, as soon as you get to the San Gorgonio Pass, those winds intensify to the 40 and 50 mile per hour range. And so that's why that critical fire danger west of the Coachella Valley, we're not included in the red flag warnings here in the Coachella Valley, but every place to our west, from the pass through our mountains all the way out to the coast, all of those areas are included as these very strong offshore winds. The Santa Ana wind event continues through tonight. Let's take a look at these winds. And again, as you work your way out of the Coachella Valley, look at this. Ontario, 54 mile per hour winds. As you look over toward Corona, 44 mile per hour winds. Anaheim, 34 mile per hour winds. 30 up at Glendale. San Fernando checking in with 39 mile per hour gusts. And these are sustained winds that we're looking at. The gusts can reach 70 or even close to 80 miles per hour, particularly around that fire, the Franklin fire in Malibu, where you get some really significant upslope winds in those peaks around the ocean. We're looking at 67 degrees. This is a big difference from yesterday. Much cooler today. We're tapping into some colder air that's dropping out of the Great Basin. It's also extremely dry. Look at our humidity in dew points. This is why the fire danger is so high. Our humidity is in the single digits. So the atmosphere has no real surface moisture to slow the spread of fires, and then those winds push flames, so it can be very easily spread. I think 75 is too warm. We're going to bump these numbers down. We'll be lucky to get into the low 70s today. That cooler air is really filtering in pretty quickly. We're going to take a closer look at the forecast for the remainder of the week. We're going to be slightly above average, but I think cooler than we've been used to most of the month of December. We're going to look at that, and when we get rid of these Santa Ana winds, even though they're not impacting us that much, it's certainly a huge impact across the rest of Southern California. Jeff?